Hey, let me quickly show you all camera features of the OnePlus Nord CE for Lite 5G. So I don't want to waste your time. Let's quickly start, for example, for the more modes. As you can see right here, we can find the night mode, high resolution mode, panorama mode, slow motion mode, time-lapse mode, dual view video mode, and the text scanner. Right here we can find the portrait mode, the photo mode. In the photo mode you can actually add the filters. They are available right here. You can also turn on the beauty mode. When you are in the photo mode, you can also turn on the exposure settings, like in the Pro mode. Right here you've got the Google Lens. It's not Google Camera, it's just Google Lens. There's the flashlight. Right here when you tap, we've got the aspect ratio, the camera timer, HDR, interval shotting. Then we got the video where we can change the resolution of the video. Here we can find the camera Pro mode with all description of the parameters. Take a look. And if you actually enter the settings, that's how it looks. You've got some kind of the watermark, grid lines, camera leveler, shutter sound, mirror selfie, location tags, tap to capture, show palm, QR code scanner, the volume button function, quick launch, and the restore default settings. And that's all for the camera. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.